Erie, PA, everybody. Dobbins Landing. Look at this. Our infrastructure right here kind of bites, man. It sucks. They got the whole Dobbins Landing closed off for I don't know what, but like this has been closed off for a minute now. If you want to get around or get down there, you wouldn't believe what you got to go through to get down there. It's like, I don't get it. You think they do projects like this in the summertime? Like, I really don't get it. Like, they should have put a roundabout there. I'm going to show you what you got to do to get down there now. I got my camera on, give you an idea. I'm going to show you got to go down here by the Greyhound bus station right here off to the right, and the E. Then down there you could just kind of go right off if you wanted, or you can go right this way to State Street, down by the hotel, the new hotel that's there. And that hotel was built brand new just recently. It won't be long before they won't be paying the payments and somebody else will come in and get it for dirt cheap. That's what they do to these hotels. Like, I don't get it how that works, but that is how that works. They just sold the one on in front of the Sloppy Duck, I was told, for $5 million. I mean, it makes no sense why you would build a hotel to sell it. I mean, if it's not making it, it makes no sense. Right here it is. This is how you got to go down to Dobbins Landing, Erie, Pennsylvania. You got to do it this way. It's crazy. The impossible way they want you to do it. I'm not even kidding. Can't make anything too easy, or it wouldn't be right. Give you a look around. Right there's the Dobbins Land Observation Tower. We'll come over this way by the Smuggler's Wharf right here to the right. Look, I'll do a courtesy right here. Just doing a courtesy right here because you think somebody else would do this. Yep, you think somebody else would do that. That didn't take much right there. It just came around. We gotta do it like Bobby Brown. Hopefully this guy won't pull up and I'll be okay. Yep. Now look how clean that other side is now. And these other people down through here have plows. I just don't get it. It was a mess. I'll take you over here. So how's Sarasota Tim been, everybody? Miss Vicky, Darling, Carl, Ziggy and I, all the good people out there. Blind Views. Is he still being a minimalist? The guy don't know how to be a minimalist. I'll show you a minimalist. A minimalist continues to try to keep what they got and keep things short and sweet and affordable. I'm gonna pop my phone off here. We're gonna go check out this Dobbins Landing real quick, everybody. Right here. Look at the lake, everybody. Right here. It's actually about, I'd say, 38 to 40 degrees. I'm not 100% sure, but it's not really that cold. Do a little walk, show you how frozen it is. But if you look out there, it's not frozen. So we're gonna be having 0 temperatures coming up next week, I was told, which is not good. When it becomes 0 temperatures, that lake's gonna be solid. And then you got these ice fishermen that would be out there. Look at this, everybody. Absolutely beautiful. Mesmerizing. Erie, PA. Dobbins Landing. Yeah, Sarasota Tim, everybody. He's a minimalist. The people that know, they know that he's really not. I had to do a wheel hub assembly on the truck. Had to do a couple of U-joints, driver's side, passenger side. And let me tell you, I could go buy a new truck, but guess what? It's still gonna be needing repaired, and it's still gonna be hard on it, no matter what you got. Look at the drifts down there. Absolutely beautiful. And you can see it's turning pretty solid right there. I know I could walk down there, get on it. You can see the people out there fishing right now. It's pretty solid out there. Here, I'll show you. I'll zoom in a little bit, see if we can see them. See, there's ice huts right there, a couple of them. I can see them clear as day, but the camera can't see them like I can. They're out there. Dobbins Landing, everybody. I'm in a different outfit today as I'm drinking my coffee. I got McDonald's coffee, everybody. McDonald's coffee. I got the subscribe hat on. I don't got my flashy coat on today because I only did a couple clean outs. I only had to jump out the truck once or twice. There's the convention center, Bayfront Convention Center, the Sheraton Hotel. Got a contracting crew here. Erie, PA, everybody. Like I said, it's about between 38, I'd say 30, 34 to 40. Not even kidding. Has to be. Look, even the water is like melting the snow. And there's puddles. So that right there is right here. Will show you that it's really warmer than it should be. This is the calm before the storm, and always nice before it's bad. Until next time, everybody, please like, share, subscribe. The pro you need to know. Thanks and God bless.